chance of shower.
God dang it, bro! Here we go again!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Monroe County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a
Let's
severe
go, here I
thunderstorm
come.
is located near Lewisburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Chapel Hill, Farmington, and Collioca. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 27 and 45.
That's
For your
how.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Middle Tennessee.
Well, now that that's over with.